Just took this pigeon earlier this morning. It was hanging out on a ledge at the defunct railroad. I used these cat eye marbles, same hunting resortera. It looks like the initial shot hit it in the neck, but I made sure I picked it up soon. It got a little messy there. Looks like the marble did a little damage there to the neck. And yeah, I've been eating some fresh pigeon for my stews. Actually, I'd like to make a soup out of this pigeon if I can. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that. It was probably about 25 feet up on a ledge. And for those who always ask about my shooting style, I normally shoot with I did shoot instinctively, but I actually lined it up. Like you could tell, this slingshot is a traditional through the fork style. The holes in the forks, it's intended for the shots to go through the fork, but I also shoot it with a canted angle. But this time I chose to shoot it the way it was intended to. I lined it up the best that I could, and I took my shot and I hit it right in the neck. It was a good shot. Didn't have to shoot a second time. I got it on the first try. Okay, I just thought I'd share it. Good harvest. Okay, bye bye everybody.